Hello students, today we are going to learn addition. Addition means putting things together. If I say I have 2 ball pens and my friend Priya, she is having 3 ball pens. So when we count together, it shows addition. Okay, so this sign shows addition. This sign we call plus. Okay, so this sign shows addition. First we will see some examples. Like I am having a 2 ball and my friend Priya, she is having 3 balls. So then these balls, when we are counting together, it shows addition. If I am having a 2 and this sign we are putting here, it shows plus sign. Okay, and these are 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is equal to 5. So this way we can do addition. Now we will see some another example. Like 4, and this sign shows addition. 4 plus 3. So how many? So first I will count 4 in my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next number is 3. Then I will add 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7. Now next is, there is a 6 plus 2. Now again I will count first 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our next number is a 2. So I will add 2. 1 and 2. Now total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 8. Now next number is, there is a 10 plus 3. So I have only 10 fingers, right? So I cannot add more than 3. Then I can count this way also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now our next number is 3. Then I will add 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now our answer I will count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So our answer is 13. Now next is, I will write 7 plus 9. So here I will count first 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then next number is 9. So I will add 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and here it will 9. So now we will count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our answer is 16. Now next is a 4 plus 5. So now I will not count 4. I will direct count 5. Okay. So like this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 4 after which number will come? So 4 after it will come 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So our answer is 9. Now next is 8 plus 9. So I will not count 8. I will count directly 9. So I can use finger also. I can count this way also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 9. Okay. Now 8 after which number will come? So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So our answer is 17. Now we will see our last example. There is 13 plus 6. So 13 plus 6. I will not count 13. I will count directly 6. So there is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 13 after which number will come? 13 after 14. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So our answer is 19. So this way you can count these numbers. Okay, it's called addition, and addition means putting things together. Okay, thank you. Hello students. Today we are going to learn subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. If I say I am having a 5 balls and my friend taking away 3 balls, say, so I will cross out 3. 1, 2 and 3. So how many left? So there are 1 and 2. So there are 2 balls. So this way we can do subtraction, and this sign shows subtraction. Okay, so now we will see some examples. Like 4, this sign shows subtraction. 4 minus 2. So what? So how we can do? What is the answer? So I will use first my 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will cut 2. So 1 and 2. So how many left? There are 2 fingers. 1 and 2. So our answer is 2. Now we can do this way also. I will draw 4 balls. Now this way we can also do, or another way I can draw 4 balls. There are 4, here 4 and here 4. Now we have to cut 2. Then I will cross out 2. So our answer is 1 and 2. So our answer is 2. This way we also can do this, and also we can use our fingers and do the subtraction. Now we will see some another example. And this sign shows subtraction. 6 minus 3. We can call this minus. Okay. So 6 minus 3. So I will count first we have to cut 2. So 1 and 2. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So our answer is 5. Now next is 12 minus 4. So I will count first 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I will not count in a fingers. I will not count in a fingers 10. So I will count this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Here it comes 12. Now I have to minus 4. Then I will do minus this way. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 8. Now next one is 13 minus 6. So first I will count 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now I will minus 6. So I will go backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the answer is 7. Now next one is 14 minus 7. So now I will count 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now I will minus 7. So I will go backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So our answer is 7. So this way we can do subtraction. So subtraction means taking away, and this sign shows subtraction. Okay, remember that. Thank you.